Hey everyone, welcome. If you've ever wished you could easily watermark your images in Wix Studio, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to overlay your logo on any image within Wix, creating a clean, professional-looking effect that protects your content and reinforces your brand, even if you've never tried this before. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to make your images your own, all right inside Wix. Let's dive in. First, we're going to add our image to the canvas. Start by heading to the left sidebar where you'll see the Add Elements button. This is like your gateway to all sorts of design possibilities in Wix. Go ahead and click on Image. Right away, you'll see Wix drops in a default image for you. But if you have a particular photo in mind, maybe one of your products or a shot that captures your business vibe, it's easy to swap it out. Just click on that default image and choose Change Image. Browse through your site files or upload something new if you need to, and select the one you want. Now, once your image is inserted, take a moment to size it so it fits nicely in your section. You can drag the corners to make the image take up more space, or keep it smaller depending on your layout. This step's important because you'll want your watermark to be placed over the area people will actually see. Up next, adding the watermark itself. We're going to use your logo, so make sure you have it saved as a PNG file with a transparent background. That way it won't have any annoying white boxes behind it. Head back to Add Elements and this time select Image once again. Click Upload Image and find your logo file on your computer. I'll upload my own logo just to show you. If your logo doesn't look quite right, double-check that background transparency is key for the watermark effect. Once your logo's uploaded, select it from your site files and hit Add to Page. You'll notice it drops right onto your canvas, probably sitting on top of your main image. Go ahead and position your logo where you want the watermark to appear. A common choice is somewhere in the corner, but you can get creative, maybe the center or even diagonally. Think about visibility and balance. To really get that classic watermark look, the trick is to lower the opacity. This basically makes your logo image semi-transparent, blending it into the background so it's visible but not too distracting. Click on your logo and in the toolbar or the adjustment panel, find the slider labeled Opacity. Drag it down bit by bit until you're happy with the effect. About 20% to 40% usually works well, but trust your eye. If it feels too bold or too faded, just tweak it. It's kind of like adding a light wash so people see your mark, but the main image still pops. Give your images a once-over and check for placement. If you need to move or resize your watermark, Wix makes this easy. Just drag and adjust until it's in the perfect spot. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Sometimes it's a game of patience to get everything just right. And there you have it, a watermarked image in Wix Studio ready to go live. With these steps, you can quickly protect your creative work or reinforce your branding with every image you share on your Wix site. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any trouble. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Wix tutorials. See you in the next video.